Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome back again to the channel. As you can tell, we are back in England and I'm going out to hang out with my friend today. We're going to do pottery because I've been looking for ways to hang out that don't involve eating. I'm not trying to be a cow. So I want to do things outside eating that are still fun. Do you understand what I mean? So I'm just wearing this double cord set from Boohoo, I think it is, and this coat is from Zara. And you guys, when I tell you that everyone and their grandmother has made a comment about my hair, I'm not joking. I'm literally not joking. I also decided to do a little bit of makeup, just a bit, because I was feeling very crusty without. So this is a really light beat. Anyways, the train is coming, so we shall see you in London.
What's good? You're looking like my wife. Yeah. Maybe you can give me some information and tell me what you like. Yeah. Living on the edge of my pride now. Something about your smile, it just made me fall in love. Shit, and I don't know your name. Who that man you came with? Do he speak your language? I don't know if he do shit, and I don't know if he's right. So I approached my lady, she said bye, I got a man and I'm his wife. She showed that right, so I took flight to see what else going on tonight. Turned to my left and my surprise was a bad little thing with light green eyes. She said she knows she fine and I wonder what she like. Baby, alright, been thinking about you lately. Oh yeah, you better tell me what's going on. Come on now, is you in love? About your business, come on now, go about your life. Ooh, 'cause you ain't got no time to waste. So please don't waste mine.
Oh, it didn't come out how I thought it would come out. Guys, how are you guys doing? I wanted to give you an update about my brows. This is what they're currently looking like. My lashes have almost fallen out completely. This is 3 weeks post brow and lash appointment. I really like the way the brows are healing, but I think the best time to know if they've healed well enough is in 6 weeks. So in another 3 weeks, I'm gonna give you guys an update. I'm headed to work now. I'm working the 12 to 10 p.m. shift. I am not in the mood. And that's funny because I just came off from 6 days off because I accumulated like all my off duties. So for the next couple of days, I'm just going to be working a lot. So maybe that's why I'm already not in the mood in advance. But yeah. Anyways, I decided to pack some food to work because I really want to reduce how much money I'm spending eating out. I did like a little bit of a financial audit for my Amex card because you guys know, and I've spoken about this a few times, I use Amex for most of my daily expenditure and my day-to-day needs, just because I'm trying to accumulate points that I can use to pay for flight tickets and stuff like that. And at the moment I have about 60k points, so that's a bit of money that I've spent on the Amex card. But more importantly, I realized that I was spending a little bit more than I'd like on my Amex card. So my husband and I decided to do an audit, and we realized that we spend a little bit more money than we'd like on eating when we go out to work and coffee. So that's the reason why I've decided to pack some food. So I packed in my bag some rice. So this is my lunch for work. In here I've just got some rice and beans and fish stew, and then I've got some yogurt and some tangerine. So that's what I'm gonna have for lunch today. I don't want to spend any money that I don't have to spend, and I've realized that if I do this, I can successfully save almost £200 from just cooking my meals instead of buying snacks and food outside, especially because we already do like bulk grocery shopping. Do you understand what I mean? So yeah, I will see you guys when I get to work. Ooh, by the way, everybody and their grandmother has made a comment about my hair. It's actually wild. Literally everywhere I go to, someone makes a comment, oh, your hair is really lovely, or you look like an African princess. And I'm like, I know. My nail fell out yesterday, annoying, but the other ones are still very much intact. Truth be told, it didn't actually fall out. I peeled it out because I was trying to do Keaton's hair yesterday, and the hair just, because it's in need of an infill, the hair kept entering into the nail, and I'm just like, nah, I'm just going to yank this off so I can do Keaton's hair properly. But yeah, so I think I'm going to carry this hair for about 2 more weeks. So once that is done, then we're taking it off and we are, you know, doing something else. I want to just do something simple, so maybe just braids, because the amount of attention that I receive from this hair is actually ridiculous, and I don't think I want that anymore. I've gotten enough attention to last me the whole year. I don't think I want that anymore. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later. Hello.
I'm ready.
Oh, hi. Brian, let's. What's your rating for the restaurant?
Oh. Sorry. 2.5.
Out of what?
Out of 10. The 0.5 was because the pancake was nice. Other than that, she was
You got two solid.
Wow. You took off a whole point.
Oh, that's so sad. Huh?
What's the megapixels on the back camera?
I don't even know.
Oh.
For me, the rating was, I was going to say 3, but now that everyone said their true mind, maybe I can say the truth. It was actually 2. I'm not, maybe 2.5 because the pancake was nice. If I didn't have the pancake, it would have been a 2.
That's you, exactly.
Solid.
Completely.
Solid. And even then, the pancake wasn't even the nicest pancake in the world. It was just the nicest thing out of everything.
It was the nicest thing to wash out the flavors of everything else. Yeah. I think the funniest thing is that we were all changing plates to find the thing that would taste that.
Waiting was the best.
It just didn't happen.
It didn't exist.
No.
So,
Okay.
that was such a bummer.
Let's go to KFC.